Okay, we finished the white Ringhult Gloss IKEA kitchen. All the bases, obviously. Got a little utility cupboard, a couple of cupboards upside, a nice big fridge freezer. We'll open it up for you. We'll open them this way for the minute. If you need them changed, then we'll do that when we come back next time, but I'm not sure. Little things like this fill in the hole. Push up. Oops. And this one is too. Doors, kitchen, under the sink. You can see it's nice and neat with your water filter, all nice and clean. Bottom drawer with your divider. Again, it's all lovely and clean inside, nothing's left. Another divider, drawer spaces, another one for your cutleries. We made this corner cupboard look like two drawers, but they're not. It's actually a door with a shelf in. Again, all nicely finished and cleaned. The oven area. Top area with divider, books for the oven. Another hidden drawer. Pull out unit here. Another divider, big drawer, and then another smaller drawer. Now all these top ones are all push fits. Obviously, pull it out, starts, push it back, stops. And all these are all pull up. Sorry, all these are pull ups. These doors pull up. Yeah, this is another pull up, and again pull ups. You've got to know where the mechanisms are. Obviously, you put your finger on it, and it opens up. Okay. Same as this one. It's your extractor area. It goes up into this area here, and again, you've got another. Oops, you've got another lift me up job there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is your underlights. Little press. Lights come on. Press it again. Lights go off. Yeah. Very pleased. Very pleased indeed. Water filter, so you can drink, and then you're hot and cold. Yeah, I think we're done. Skippy's just having another little polish of the television light.